Most people spend months trying to get their digital product ready to make sales, but I'm going to show you how to do it in just 5 days. I went from being miserable in my 9 to 5 to having a 6-figure digital product business in just 7 months. So I know what it takes to get fast results from digital products. In this video, I want to break down my exact 5-step process. I use it every single time I want a 10K plus launch, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how I find product ideas that are already selling, create it, and get it live in a store in just 1 day. Then I'll show you how to use my trust triangle content method. This makes getting traffic and selling so much easier. And also, FYI, I do have a free blueprint that plots out all of the helpful steps. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to grab it. Okay, let's start with step 1, the proof first method. So a student joined my community. She was trying to sell journaling templates and they were really good. The problem is there was no demand. Journaling templates weren't selling. It wasn't something that people were looking for. Actually, they would rather just go and get prompts from AI. So what we first needed to do is find the product in this niche that was actually selling, because the niche itself wasn't the problem. It was the product. She needed a product that people would actually pay for. And so when we did the research, we found that Notion productivity templates were a way better fit. A lot of these included journaling prompts. In fact, she built a whole system where you can use Notion for your productivity and your journaling so that you could have a calmer mind. Straight away, we locked in on a product type and an area of the niche that actually had proof that it was going to sell. And how did we do that? Well, the first is we did validation. My favorite tool for this is actually Everbee. You've probably heard me talk about it in my videos before, but why I love it is because it shows you if things are already selling, and it uses Etsy as the marketplace to validate. We're not selling here, just validating, but it tells you if something is already selling. It also gives you signals on its growth, right? Is this a product that is growing? Is there demand? That is what you are looking for. And ultimately, your steps should be, if you want a product that is definitely going to sell, you need to be finding similar products that are already selling in your niche. You then need to make it your own, add your own experience, add your own perspective, add your own lens. My student actually approached it from a perspective of corporate women that were actually at the top of their careers, but totally overwhelmed. So she took her own perspective and added it to a proven product type. Now here's what set it apart. She packaged her product differently. She added trackers, she added formulas, she even added an entire dashboard that pulled in all the different parts of her template. Now, was she a Notion expert? No, AI literally gave her the step-by-step, but by doing this, she had packaged her product different to anything else that was out there. That's what made it unique. And so your homework, if you've got a product and you're not sure that it's selling, 1, go and check what else in your niche is selling. Think about how you can take that idea and add in your own experience, add in your own perspective, add in your own lens. We're not here to copy, you are simply going to mirror. And then number 3, think about how you can package it differently. If everybody else is doing a course, why don't you create a Skool community? Or why don't you create an AI tool? Think about how you can take that winning idea and package it into something that sets you completely apart from the market. And so your next step is then going to be creating it. And I like to create using what I call my 1-day product stack. This means that I'm actually only focused on the type of products that I can create quickly. Now, there are actually 3 product types that I like best for this. Even though my student created a Notion template, I actually don't think those are the fastest type of products to create. The fastest types are mini applications, and you can do this using Claude. I actually just released a whole video showing you how I do this, so please check that out. Number 2 is mini courses or masterclasses. Now, when we're talking about mini courses, we're literally talking about a short collection of videos that you can record record in just a few hours, no editing needed. The only thing you need to do is focus specifically on your topic and don't waver, don't ramble, get to the solution as quickly as you can. And number 3 is communities. Now, I see people all the time thinking that creating a community has to take loads of time and they have to put loads of content and they have to record a course. You don't need any of that at all. In fact, my first mentor opened her community with nothing in it. All she had was a few calls scheduled on the diary and content that she already had from previous products. And so setting up a community, especially on Skool, can be very, very quick, and it's a very easy way to monetize the knowledge that you already have. And so here's the formula you're going to follow. You're going to pick the one product type from the stack that not only matches your product idea, but also matches the way you like to deliver information. Are you someone that likes talking on video? Are you someone that actually likes getting on calls? Or are you someone that is more technical and is really easily able to build a mini app? Think about what works best for you and zone in on that one. Number 2, you're going to use AI to speed up the entire creation process. You know by now how powerful AI is. Stop using it like a search engine and start using it like your co-creator, okay? Be very clear with AI what you want it to do and the steps you want it to follow, and it will do 80% of the work for you. In fact, it's so powerful that I made a whole course about it. I literally mapped out every step that you can take to create mini AI tools, masterclasses, templates, and bundles with AI. It's my 24-hour product system, and I'll leave the link below if you want to grab it. We've had so many great reviews on this course. My students actually love it, and I think you will too. Now, the last point is probably the most important, and that is to always have an MVP mindset. That means that it doesn't need to be perfect to be done. MVP stands for minimum viable product. You just need the minimum amount of product that gets your audience a result, and you need to launch it. If you don't launch it, you'll never get feedback, you'll never know what you need to work on, and then you'll just end up in this endless creation loop and never making any sales. And this video is about how you do this in 5 days. Now, keep in mind, your ideas should take 1 day, your creation should take 1 day, especially if you just follow the steps in my 24-hour course. Now you need to actually get it live. You need a site to host your digital product on. It needs to take payments, it needs to deliver your product, but most importantly, it needs to have a landing page so that when people get there, they read the right words that's actually going to make them buy. Now, instead of creating a whole website from scratch and hiring a developer and spending loads of money, you don't have to do that anymore, because there's platforms like Hostinger who actually have AI website builders. That means that AI can create the whole site for you, and you can do it in as little as 10 minutes. Here's how it works. So when you click the Hostinger link right down below, you're going to land on this page. When you scroll down, you just see the sign up options. Now, for me, the value that you get with the website builder and business plan is just second to none. And you can see all these features. You get e-commerce, so you can take payments. You also can have multiple websites, up to 50, which is handy for your mini apps that you're created. And also, Hostinger have all these built-in AI tools. So for me, that plan is a no-brainer, okay? And so once you go through the sign-up process, you can actually get another 10% off. And that's on top of any offer using the code Rochelle, okay? So once the sign-up is done and you're inside the Hostinger website builder, you can then literally create a full website. Simply just add in your brand name and then add in a short description of what you're selling and what your brand is about. This is just one of the ways that you can create an AI website really quickly, because Hostinger will use this as a prompt to create the entire site for you. And then once it's done, you can, of course, customize everything very easily, so you can make it exactly to your liking. Colors, layouts, elements, everything is customizable. You're just using the drag and drop tools. And so this makes it so easy for anyone to do, even if you don't have tech experience. So I've left the link for Hostinger below. They have a great sale on right now. And remember, you can always get an extra 10% off on top using the code Rochelle. Just keep in mind the offers can change depending on when you catch this video. Okay, so now your product is created, your store is live, and here's for the exciting part: traffic. okay? How do you get people to your digital product so that they can actually buy it? Now, it really comes down to the type of content you create. When I started creating this very specific type of content, I'm calling it the trust triangle, that's when my views started blowing up. I was finally able to find a way to stand out from all the other creators in my space. But most importantly, I started making more sales. And it all came down to building more trust. Now, there are people out there, I've seen somebody on Instagram being like, don't give tips and tricks and don't nurture your audience. And I see where she's going. But what those things do is build trust. Now, there is a new way to build trust because AI is taking away all of the pure information and pure tips and tricks. So here are the 3 types of content you need to be creating now if you want to make sales as fast as possible. Number 1 is story-based content. Now, you might be thinking, I'm trying to sell a product. What does my life story have to do with this? The answer is everything. People want to know how you actually found your solution. What problems did you go through? What lessons did you learn? There's a reason why my most viral video on my channel isn't really me teaching anything at all. It's simply sharing my story and sharing the lessons that I've learned. The more that you can tap into your personal story, the more you will build trust. But also, AI doesn't have any personal stories to tell. This is how you literally AI proof your business and your personal brand. The second type of content is short tutorials. Tutorials aren't dead, but what is dead is just replaying information that everybody else already knows. You want your tutorials to be so specific to your product. You want to show them the results that you can get. You want to show them how to get quick wins. You want to show them how to address the things that they haven't even admitted to themselves, right? So one of these for me is that I know that people haven't admitted to themselves that they have a mindset and confidence and imposter syndrome issue, right? And a lot of people think that it's, I don't want to show my face, but actually it's, I don't want to put myself out there for everyone to judge me. And that is why inside my community and on YouTube, actually, I create tutorials about building that kind of mindset and building that belief in yourself. Those are the type of tutorials that will never go out of fashion and will never stop converting. Now, the last type of content you want to create is what I like to call the contrarian piece of content. And this is where you really show your personal opinion. This works best when you are saying something slightly controversial. It's not for the sake of being controversial. It's because you actually really believe that thing. Now, for me in this industry of starting digital product businesses and building businesses online, everybody is telling you the only way for you to make sales is to post 3 times a day on Instagram or 5 times a day on TikTok. And if it's not working, guess what? Just post more, post more, post more, post more. And I don't believe in that. I don't believe that that is the only way to build your business. Yes, it is one way, but it's not the only way. And I stood on that. I stood on it, and that is how I made my first 6 figures. And that is what I talk about so often. And it is different. It is my opinion. Some people don't like it. I don't care, okay? You need to have your own opinion. What do you believe differently from the norm? And stand on business. You need to stand out, and this is the way that you do it. Okay, so let's move on to the last step, and you should be on day 5 by now. First day was your idea. Second day was creating your product. Third day was getting it live on your hosting a store. Fourth day was planning out your trust triangle content. And now we're going to go for the big bonus. This is the thing that is going to make you sales as quickly as possible. It's also the thing that is going to move your content so much faster, right? It's going to get it in front of the right people every single day, so you can potentially make sales the same day you drop your product. I know because I do this, and that is by using ads. Now, a lot of people are so intimidated by ads, right? It's a waste of money. I don't want to pay to get my content in front of people. I made all this money without ads. Trust me, that is not a flex. And it's actually a mindset shift. When you use ads, the only thing you are doing is paying to speed up the process, paying to get your content in front of the right people. And look, I don't sell courses on ads. I've got no skin in the game. I'm just telling you what works for me. I actually made my my first 6 figures before I started running ads, but now I'm running ads. I'm about to hit my second 6 figures in literally a quarter of the time, okay? And here are the 3 things that have worked for me when it comes to ads. And I'm running ads now, okay? A lot of people giving you this advice, I'll give you ads advice from 2 years ago. No. This is stuff that I've learned in the last 3 months. Okay, number 1, your ad content needs to look like organic content. So where I was going wrong is creating these ads that very clearly looked like ads and nobody likes wanting to feel like they're being sold to. And so now my ad content is me just talking. I do a bit of storytelling. It could feel like organic content. And because people don't know it's ads, sometimes they comment on it and I'm like, yeah, this is an ad, right? They don't know. And so doing ads in a way that feels organic, that feels natural, that is where you're going to get the most engagement, and engagement leads to sales. Now, my next tip for you is to focus on one ad strategy at a time. There are many different people teaching ads. There are also many different platforms. Do you do Meta ads? Do you do Pinterest ads? Do you do YouTube ads? Do you do Google ads? Listen, I personally only do Meta ads, and I want you to just focus on one of them, okay? Pick one strategy, pick one platform, and keep going until you crack it. Don't move on to another platform until your first ads platform is literally doubling the money, okay? So every $1 you put in, you should be getting 2 out, ideally, before you move on to anything else. And that brings me nicely onto my third point. I don't want you to go wasting loads of money on ads. I want you to keep it very affordable until you find what works for you, until your ad is profitable. The whole point of running ads, the whole point of why all of your big business coaches are doing it is because it is profitable. They aren't losing money, they are making money. And so I recommend that you stick with a really small budget. I stuck with about $5 a day, and until I was starting to be profitable, that's when I added more. You should do the same. And $5 is literally a Starbucks coffee. So every day I would get up and I was like, should I buy myself a Starbucks or should I spend on ads and get more sales? I think you know which one won, okay? And so now you know this is the fastest way to find a digital product, create it, get it on a store and get it sold. Literally, you can do this within 5 days. And so now your next question should be, okay, well, how do I scale this? I'm going to get my first sale. How do I get to my $1,000 days so I can quit my 9 to 5 and go all in on this business just like I have? And so, of course, I broke down the strategy for you. The video is on your screen. I highly recommend you watch that next so you know exactly what the plan is for you to replace your income and then some with digital products. I'll see you there.